Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is mechanism of gene expression. Transcription of messenger RNA from the DNA segment composing the DNA. Translation of transfer RNA and formation of ribosomal unit. Translation of codon of messenger RNA leading to the linkage of amino acid to form a polypeptide chain. Termination of polypeptide chain. Maturation of protein. Regulation of gene expression. Inside each cell, the DNA has genetic information for all the proteins which may be required at different times during cell cycle, but genes do not function together or same time. It means flow of information from DNA to protein is regulated by some mechanism which is described as regulation of gene action. Gene regulation is essential to achieve maximum cellular economy. When Escherichia coli are grown on glucose medium, they contain just traces of galactosidase, which is an enzyme that hydrolyzes lactose into glucose or galactose. If the bacteria are transferred into a medium containing lactose, the concentration of this enzyme increases many folds that enables them to metabolize lactose. In prokaryotes, control of rate of transcription initiation is the predominant site for control of gene expression, and this regulation is done by accessory protein. This protein acts as both, that is positively and negatively. They are known as activators and repressors respectively. Operator region adjacent to promoter element and sequence of promoter bind a repressor protein. Now here we will see it is DNA, exon and intron protein, exon and intron protein transcription, then initial transcript. Script is written in this manner. Initially it was like that. After transcription it became in that manner. Now introns are removed when initial transcription takes place. This is initial transcription. Introns are removed you can see how introns are being removed. Once introns are removed, then exon, they come together on messenger RNA. In the nucleus, codon or coding takes place, and according to that, formation of protein. One more time we will understand. This is the transcription. Initial transcription, introns are removed. After removal of introns, exons spliced together, coding sequence come in this manner and formation of new protein. Exon and intron, two type of proteins are there which are present in DNA. As you can see, today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.